Hey cutie patooties, and welcome back to Cutie Nails, where everything we do here is all about nails. I just hit my hand, y'all. But I want you guys to know that God's grace is sufficient for each and every one of us, so continue to trust in Him and have faith, cuties. So today I have my little unboxing of all of my nail house goodies that I recently picked up. I wanted to do a set for you guys today as well, but this video was gonna be way too long because I really wanted to take my time and show you guys everything that I got recently. If y'all hear any noise in the background, it's my little niece. She is here with me. If you guys remember a couple years back, like 2 years back, I had showed you guys some press-on nails that I did for my sister for her baby shower. So that little 2-year-old is here with me, so please excuse any noises that she makes. So I'm gonna jump right in and open this box. I'm excited because recently I was watching a live on Portia Nailed It's channel. Y'all know my girl Portia, I love her. And she mentioned that some items was back in stock and I had to go get it. So I love these cute little peanuts, these little heart-shaped peanuts that they've put into the box. They're so super cute, different colors, very, very spring, and I am loving that. I'm gonna take my time, like I said, and show you guys everything. These items are still in stock as of now, so hop on over, use code Portia as soon as you get done watching this video, so that way y'all can buy y'all stuff too if y'all are nail house lovers like I am. So this cute little thank you card comes in all of their packages. The first packaging that I'm opening was some acrylics that I wanted to get, that I've had my eyes on for a while, and I was so happy to get them. And now we're just gonna go right into everything else now that I've dumped out the box. First thing I'm most happy about are these art liners that I picked up from them. It was super affordable, well, affordable for me at least, and I got all of the sizes because they have been out of stock for a while, and the minute they were back in stock, I knew I wanted to get these, and I'm so glad that Portia mentioned it on her live because I jumped on it right away. So I'm gonna open them up and show you guys how all of these brushes look, and I'm gonna tell y'all what I like the most about all of these brushes. So all of the brushes, if I'm looking up cuties, I'm looking at my recording, but all of the brushes come packaged in their own little tubes, and right away I am loving the softness of the brush on all of these. I've kind of messed with them, and you guys can see me here messing with it on my hand just to see how they feel, and they're very, very soft. Very soft. They all look the same as far as quality in the brushes. The way that they're shaped, the thickness of the handle is what I love the most about these brushes, and I can truly appreciate. I'm not gonna say I love it. I appreciate the thickness of the handle because you have that comfortability and that sturdiness when you're doing art. Like you guys know, I'm always using my Robin Moses brushes that I absolutely love because the bristles are 100% real and they're super thin, but I'm getting the same quality in these brushes as far as the thinness and the realness of the hairs of the brushes. But the difference between the two, and let me just pull it out real quick to show you guys. My Robin Moses brushes, the handles are very thin, but with my nail house brushes, as you guys can see the difference, I'm getting a lot to grip onto here and control the brush as I'm working on any nail art. And I've told y'all before, my hands are super shaky, my nerves are really bad, y'all. Thank God for editing, otherwise you guys will see all of my shaking that happens. But the different sizes that I get and the quality in the brush and the handle is gonna help me tremendously when I'm trying to do art because I'm so shaky. So I'm loving the thickness of these handles, and I can really truly appreciate that about these brushes. So here are all the brushes and all the sizes that you guys can see right here. Again, use code Portia to save money on your purchase. So y'all know I have their size 16 acrylic brush, and I wanted to get another size, a smaller size. So I recently did my sister's nails, and her nail beds are so tiny, y'all. So tiny. I wasn't struggling to do her nails with the size 16 brush. That brush has truly changed the game for me when it came to my application. And I am happy to say that the same quality, consistency, same expectations that I have in my size 16, I am getting it in the size 14 brush. They have quality products, y'all. I truly recommend these brushes. If you're a beginner, a good brush is always one of the best tools that you can have. I absolutely love nailhause brushes. The size 14 is perfect for those tiny nail beds. And like I tell y'all, like I have 2 really fat fingers and then the other ones are tiny. This is perfect. I can switch between brushes and get the same type of application and consistency. And you guys will see that in my video coming up on Friday, where I'm going to use just a few of these products, not all of them. So stay tuned for Friday, cuties, because I have another spring set coming for you guys. So I just went ahead and cleaned out my brush and started prepping it, feeling it, just trying to see how everything was working. And I'm going to start getting ready to shape this brush how I am looking for it to be shaped and getting that flatness at the tip. So shaping this brush, cuties, is just absolutely just perfect. I have yet to find a brush outside of this one that's just that great, and I've tried other brushes, you guys know. So the next thing I'm getting into, which you guys will see in Friday's video, are these 3XL square tips. I don't know how I feel about square. I really like tapered tips, but I like these, and you get a lot. And my thumb is not super big, but there are multiple sizes to fit bigger widths, so I really like that. I'm loving the length, really loving the length, but the length is only just for content, you guys. This is not something that I would wear on a day-to-day basis because I am super active with my hands, and y'all know I have little ones, and with little Bean, these nails just ain't gonna work out. So I'm excited to show you guys these tips in Friday's video. So like I said, stay tuned. Now, cuties, for any codes or anything like that that I'm affiliated with, as far as Born Pretty and things like that, Madame Glam, Nail Reserve, be sure to check out the description box below. If you are new here, welcome to Cutie Nails. Welcome to the Cutie family. I'm so glad you have decided to subscribe, and I love to show support in the nail community to anyone that's also starting their nail journey. I do want to apologize to my nail sisters, my nail family out there, for my lack of response last week to my videos. I was sick. I don't know what happened. I just really couldn't eat or anything like that, and I was feeling really like sick, stomachy, like nauseous and that type of stuff. But I'm back now, and I am gonna get caught up on everyone's comments that they sent to me. So y'all, I'm excited about these acrylics. Y'all see the first one I showed you guys there was Princessa. I am so excited about that. I'm gonna be using that in Friday's set as well. Twin Flame is absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful nude, and I wanted a black. I'm scared of black. I've heard so many things about black and red, but I do want to try black and see how that works out for me. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them all for you guys now. I only got these 4 acrylics, and the French Rose one was one I particularly wanted just to kind of fill my nude collection from Hause and give me that soft pink nude buff kind of look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my time and swatch them for you guys. Same perfect consistency and formula. The thing that I noticed that's different between the regular acrylics and the glittered acrylics with the odorless monomer system, I have to go just a tad wetter, not so dry with the glittered acrylics, but I can't overdo it because my beads can still be kind of runny. And I'm gonna let y'all know now, even though I know y'all gonna support me on Friday and watch that video, I'm gonna be completely transparent and let you guys know how I felt about that set. Did not like it, was not what I was envisioning. Like, it totally went south, but it wasn't because of the nailhause acrylics. But I'm gonna share that with y'all on Friday, so please stay tuned for that, cuties. Now again, My favorite. I've been wanting Princessa for a minute now. So here she is being swatched out. I'm gonna let y'all continue to watch the swatching process and enjoy that. And I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Now let's get into noir, or however you want to say it. I say noir. Beautiful, beautiful black. I was pleasantly surprised with this black because I was expecting it to be just a plain old flat black until I started looking at the swatch and I realized there were some beautiful like gunmetal specks in there. So I'm taking my time and getting ready to pick up that bead for you guys. And as I swatched it out on this lint-free wipe was when I saw those beautiful specks. It was not a plain old bland black, and I can appreciate that about it. Now, even though I only got these 4 acrylics, I am still getting ready to grow my acrylic collection because you guys know I've been having so much fun doing acrylics lately, and it's all because of odorless monomer. If there's any of you guys out there who watch me and support me, have subscribed to this channel, please, 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 if you're thinking of giving acrylic a try, but you cannot stand that harsh smell, definitely try odorless monomer, Cooper odorless monomer, and it has been working wonders for me thus far. Now y'all can see that beautiful shimmer in the black. I really wanted to make sure you guys saw that. Is absolutely beautiful, and I'm so happy that I picked up this color. All right, my cutie patooties. Well, that was it for my little unboxing of my nail house goodies. I'm so glad that you guys were here with me today to kind of go through that. Like I said, this video would be super long if I decided to add the set that's coming Friday into this. So stay tuned for Friday's cutie patooties. Don't forget that God loves you. He is our source of strength in all things. So continue to pray for me, and I will continue to pray for you guys. I love y'all, and as always, I'll most definitely talk to you in my next one. Bye.